Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use Uber app. Okay, the first thing that you should do is simply go and open the Play Store. Then once you open the Play Store, you need to search for Uber, just like so. Then you want to download the application. And here, as you can see, I have it downloaded already. So I'm going to click on open. And once you open the application, here, as you can see, you have this loading menu. Of course, you will have to enter your mobile number and use your Google account. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. I'm going to choose the email that I'm going to use. Then I'm going to click on continue. And now you will have to provide your phone number. I will type my phone number. And after that, I'm going to hit the enter. I'm going to type next. And now you will have to accept Uber's terms and conditions. Then click on next. And now here, as you can see, it will tell you get moving faster with Uber. Just hit the next and click on allow while using the app only. Then you'll have to receive Uber discounts if you want to do so. And now you'll have to choose your payment option, whether it's debit card, credit card, PayPal, cash, gift card, Visa card, Fowry card, and mobile wallets. And here in my case, it has Visa card and Fowry Cash because this is only available in my region. So these payment options may differ from a region to another. Okay, now you can choose between any one of them. You can also skip for now if you want to do so. But here in my case, I will use the cash. Now, why is this required? Take a photo of yourself and your debit or credit card. You can skip this if you need this. I'm going to skip it. Then I'm going to hit the next. And I'm going to pay for the trips with cash. Now I'm going to hit the I understand. And now here you can simply click on yes, I need help in order to give you help on how to use the Uber. But here in my case, this is my tutorial. So this is where I'm actually showing you how to use it. Now here you have the suggestions. For example, this is the home menu. You can choose between shuttle if you want to go with the shuttle, or you can use a scooter if you want to ask for a ride with a scooter, or you can ask for a normal trip or a normal ride, which is actually by using this option on the left side. Okay, this option. Now you want to go and select where are you going to start from. So I'm going to start from this place right here, then where I want to go. So let's say that I want to go to Mari, for example. You just have to enter here the specific place where you are going actually. And here you have multiple options. You can choose between the Uber X, the scooter, which will take actually less money. And you can choose between different options as you can see. And once you're all done, click on choose weight and save to. And one of the riders will accept your offer. And if you want to get to your location, you just have to click on this icon on the bottom right side. And here, as you can see, it shows me the number of cars that are related to Uber that are near from me right here. As you can see them. And you can even choose to plan your ride between pick up now or later if you want to reserve for extra peace of mind, or if you want to reserve a specific trip for tomorrow, for example. Here you have also these options for me or for someone that you can add as a contact. You can even change the point of start by simply typing here where do you want to start from. Let's say I want to start from Maadi, then I want to go to, okay, just let me choose another thing right here. I want to go to Heliopolis, okay, but I want to start from Maadi, so I'm gonna go back again, and I'm gonna start from Maadi, Egypt, and here it tells me exactly how much ride will take from there to there. So, and you can also change the payment method by simply clicking on this option on the bottom right. You can choose between cash. You can choose even the Uber Cash if you need to do so, but the verification need to be required. You can add vouchers if you need to do so, and if you have any voucher, you can add it right here. You can add a payment method, PayPal, gift card, credit or debit card, or even other payment methods according to your country. And now if you want actually to go back, here I have the home menu again. You can go through your account, you can add a wallet, you can see here your inbox, including the offers that you get and the updates and so on. Here you can simply go and click on family and add some family members and invite some of your family members if you want to pick some rides for them. You can go through the settings and change the appearance if you want to choose the dark mode. You can add your home, add the work, and add some shortcuts if you want to move between them. And here you can add also the communications. You can add how would you like to be communicated with the driver or the leader. Do you want a call or chat or just call or push notifications? You can even add the push notifications when someone comes to you. You have here also your email if you want to get the email notification, but this is not actually recommended. It's recommended to have a chat or a phone call. Now you can verify your ride by simply clicking on PIN if you want to verify your ride by using the PIN. And I think that's all you need to know about Uber application. Here we have also some services. It will tell you exactly what are the available vehicles that you can actually use. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.